Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gemini AI something went wrong error. Are you seeing a message that says something went wrong using an Gemini AI? Don't worry, this is common issue and you can fix it within a few simple steps. First, check your internet connection. Gemini AI needs a stable connection to work properly. For that, swipe up from the top right corner of your screen. It will open Control Center. From here, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn on airplane mode for the 10 seconds and turn it back off. You can refresh the page or restart the app. If you are using Gemini AI in the browser, reload the page. If you are using the app, close it completely and reopen it. This fixes many temporary problems. You can also log out and log back into the Google account. Sometimes your season expired and sign in again can fix the error. If you are using Gemini AI browser, clear cache and cookies. Old or corrupted data can cause loading error. After clearing them, restart your browser and try it again. And make sure your app or browser is updated. For that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Gemini AI and open it. And make sure your app is updated. An older version can cause this error. If the issue continues, restart your device. This clears memory issues that can affect app and browser. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.